Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. We are doing the ninth video, guys, which simply means I'm doing question 9. Please do expect 33 questions. Okay, first question, we are being asked to define the term functional group of an organic compound. A functional group, guys, it's an atom or a group of atoms, or rather a bond that determines the characteristics and the intermolecular forces of an organic compound. Okay. 2.2.1, the structural formula of the functional group of aldehyde. It will always have a double bond O with an H there. And then this R over here just represents the number of carbons that comes before the functional group. Okay, name the functional group for carboxylic acid. It's a carboxyl group or carboxyl ion. Okay, the IUPAC name of an organic compound is 2.4 dimethyl hexane 3-one. We are dealing with the ketone. How do I know that we are dealing with the ketone? The suffix of this organic compound tells me. Since the suffix is "-one", that means I'm dealing with the ketone. Okay. For this compound, write down the homologous series to which it belongs. We said it's a ketone. And then the structural formula. The parent chain has 6 carbons since the prefix is hex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in carbon number 2 and 4, the double bond O is in carbon number 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the double bond O is in carbon number 3. And then I'll obviously have my hydrogens. Definitely have my hydrogens. And then now I need to address this 2.4 dimethyl. So this will be CH3 at carbon number 2 as well as in carbon number 4, CH3. That's how, guys, you're supposed to draw your structural formula for your 2.4 dimethyl hexane 3-one. Okay, now for 2.4 I'm given a structural formula. I'm given 2 structural formulas actually, and I'm supposed to write the IUPAC names of these 2 structures. The first structure has how many carbon? Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my parent chain has 6 carbons, right? I must start counting closer to the... Remember that, guys, yes, I do have a halogen there. Are you together? I have a halogen, and a halogen does not necessarily change the suffix of my compound. So it is treated as excuse me, it is treated as a substituent altogether. So it is treated like a side chain altogether. So I cannot start counting closer to the functional group. I need to start counting from the terminal carbon, which is closer to the place that has more things happening altogether. So whenever I count, this will be carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Are you together? In carbon number 2, I have the 2 dimethyl side chains. In carbon number 4, I have an ethyl side chain. And then in carbon number 5, I have my halogen, which is a bromine. Are you together? But remember that the main compound is the one that has 6 carbons. Are you together? My alkane there, which has additions. It has side chains, and the halogen is also added. So the addition, before I like whenever I name, I must start by mentioning all of these additions, and I need to mention them in alphabetical order. Are you together? So I'll start by mentioning the bromo, because alphabetically bromo comes first. Then I'll mention the ethyl, and then I'll mention the methyls, and then the parent chain. Okay, so whenever I name this thing, I'll simply say this is 5 bromo and 4 ethyl, and then 2.2 dimethyl, excuse me, 2.2 dimethyl hexane. Are you together? That's how you're supposed to name this organic compound. Please note that between numbers and letters, there's always a hyphen. Okay, and then over here, the parent chain is the one that has the alkene, triple bond. Are you together? And I must always start numbering my carbons from the terminal which is closer to the triple bond. So this will be carbon number 1, carbon 2, 3, 4, and 5. I can see that in carbon number 4, I have a side chain there. So I'll start by mentioning the side chain. This will be 4 methyl. And then, since I have 5 carbons, it will be pent. Between carbon 2 and 3, I have a double bond. That's pent 2 ine. It's not a double bond, but it's a triple bond. You know? The suffix needs to be ine because I'm dealing with an alkyne. That's how, guys, I was supposed to tackle this question. Just stay tuned, guys, and wait for more videos. Thank you.